Well, you can barely see these birds, but right now they're making a nest. We named them. The one who's sitting in the nest is Moral, and the one who's not sitting in the nest and is gathering sticks for the nest is Frank. And since they're making a nest, it's time for them to have babies. If you see something moving, that's probably them. Yep, probably them. As you can see, I'm bored watching. I just wanted to show this so most of you can know what it has, and I've been watching this for a while. Okay, now there's Morgo shaking its butt all around. Okay, Frank, where are you? Okay, this is what my dad was doing. Frank, get me some more sticks. Frank. Okay, I'm getting sticks more. Jeez. Oh, and here comes Frank. He was holding a stick in his mouth. Even if you can't see it, I can see it. I can see it. Okay, one of my arms is tired. This is tiring walk. As you can see, he went go flying over there. Yes. Just wanted to get you two on some things. Well, if you can see, well, like, right there is the board. Right there. Well, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, please.